2 things. Nope, I'm a liar. 3 things. 1, how are you? It's so good to see you. 2, welcome to the new filming space. It's a little sparse at the moment. But don't worry about that. I have some really fun plans. I'm looking at all the decor options. And 3rd, I actually have a confession to make. I'm a little embarrassed about this, so I'm just gonna tell you, come here, come in close. I haven't been on TikTok in a hot minute. We're talking like a month here. But just keep that in between us, okay? I've been really busy lately, and sometimes it's nice to take a little bit of a break. But because of that, I feel like there's a lot I need to catch up on. So if you feel the same way, then let's go check out what's new with TikTok. Get ready to write your own novel because captions on TikTok can now be up to 4,000 characters long. And that's a pretty big jump from the 2,200 characters we were allowed before. To give you some context, this is what 4,000 characters look like. It's a lot. And if you weren't scrolling through videos fast enough already, you can now change the speed you watch your videos by holding anywhere on the video and clicking the playback speed, just like you can do on YouTube. TikTok has also added a new On This Day feature, which allows you to post old videos as stories or even repost them as new videos. To check out this new feature, you're gonna head on over to your inbox, and up there on the top of your screen, if you posted a video 1 year ago on whatever day you're checking this feature out, you will see the On This Day feature, and you can go repost it as a story or as a new video, which could be a great way to get some eyeballs on some old content or just to bask in the cringiness of content in the past. Gotta love it. Hey friends, Editing Kyla here, and just barely you witnessed me telling you that you can only post a video on this day if it was posted a year ago. That is absolutely not true. It doesn't matter when that video was posted. As long as it was on this day, sometime in the past, you can use this feature to post this video. Hopefully that makes sense, and feel free to go try it out for yourself. And also, one moment.
Breaking news, TikTok kills its B-roll clone TikTok Now after less than a year.
But if you were one of the 3 people that showed up consistently on TikTok Now, don't worry, you haven't lost your previous posts. To access those, go to your profile, click on the private tab, and there you can access your Now memories. Okay, wait. I have been waiting for this feature to roll out to my account for so long. Heck, yes! You see that button? Right there? That's going to allow me to download my videos before posting them. I've seen creators with this feature, but I have been waiting the longest time. All it took was me taking a month break, and TikTok's like, here you go. We got you. This is going to save me so much time because now I don't have to go grab the link off my published video, put it in a totally legit site to get the TikTok logo off, and then I can post to other places. Yes! So run, don't walk. To see if this feature has rolled out to you, it will be on your TikTok editing screen. And if you don't have it, make sure your app is up to date, or you might just have to wait a little bit longer. Sorry. I have a secret for you. Come closer. Again, dang, you're just keeping so many secrets for me today. If you're starting to get sick of your For You page and it's starting to feel like a not For You page, I'm sorry, that was a terrible joke. You can do a full reset on the content you are served on Miss FYP. To do this, go onto your TikTok profile, and in the 3 little bars in the top right-hand corner, that will pull up your menu where you can click on Settings and Privacy. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see where it says Content Preferences, and there you can refresh your For You page. And they do have some information on there as well of what it means to actually refresh or reset your For You page. I'm definitely doing this one. My For You page, not a fan at the moment. Also, TikTok is here to boost your follower count when you're sharing TikTok links. It prompts TikTok users with a watch and follow back option. Wait, does that mean you need to be following them? I'm not sure. The way the wording is, it would make it seem like you need to be following them for them to follow you back. But I'll continue doing some more research on that. Now, the last big update that I want to make you aware of, obviously they're rolling out updates all the time, so we're going to be playing catch up for a little while here. But that last update is the nearby feed. Now, disclaimer, I do not currently have the nearby feed rolled out to my profile, but I've seen some other creators who have it. And basically, if you have this feature, you can toggle it on or off. If you have it turned on, your posts will be shown in the nearby feed based on the location where you uploaded them. It's definitely an interesting feature, but could definitely be a great way to build an audience near your location. Well, that feels good. We are a little bit more caught up with what's going on in the TikTok universe, or the TikTok-verse, if you will. And now I gotta get back to posting over there. So if you so desire, feel free to go follow me on TikTok. New videos coming soon. Bye, dudes.